Here I have Oppo RX17 Neo, and let me show you how to hard reset the following device. So at the very beginning, switch it off by tapping on power key. And then just slide down to power off. Once it's off, tap all together on power key and volume down key and hold them till Oppo logo pops up. Within a few seconds you will be in recovery mode. Now you can navigate here with volume down and volume up key. So first of all, select the language, in my case it's English, and then just tap on power key to select it. Now you have to go to wipe data in order to hard reset your device. And then select format data if you would like to perform a hard reset. Confirm it by tapping on power key one more time, as it will erase all user information. Now give your device a few seconds as it's wiping all data. You just have to remember before doing it that this operation cannot be undone, and you will lose all your data. And success! Formatting the data partition success. Tap on OK, so on power key, and now just switch on your device one more time. Actually, it will be done manually. Automatically. So within a few seconds you will be able to set up your device from the scratch to use it easily without previous personal data included. And that's it. Now you can set up your device. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.